is seriously sick. He receives little help at home. Third grade. Mark is a good boy, but too serious. He is a slow learner. His mother died this year. Fourth grade. Mark is very slow, but well behaved. His father shows no interest. At Christmas, the boys and girls in Miss Aquino's class brought her gifts, piled them on her desk, and crowded around to watch her open them. Among the gifts was one from Mark de la Cruz. She was surprised he had brought her a gift. Mark's gift was wrapped in brown paper and held together with Scotch tape.